Welcome to Auto Apex, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. From high-performance machines to in-depth reviews, we bring you the best of the automotive world. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Today we are diving into the world of Mercedes-AMG, a brand that represents power, precision, and performance. When you think of AMG, you think of high-performance engines, aggressive design, and cutting-edge technology. Every AMG model is crafted to deliver an exhilarating driving experience with unmatched luxury. Under the hood, Mercedes-AMG vehicles house some of the most powerful engines in the industry. From the hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8s to the latest hybrid-assisted powertrains, AMG ensures that performance is never compromised. These engines are not just about raw power, but also about refined engineering, offering an incredible balance between speed and control. Mercedes-AMG vehicles stand out with their signature Panamericana grille, aggressive aerodynamics, and bold styling. Whether it's the growl of an AMG exhaust or the striking presence on the road, an AMG is designed to turn heads. The interiors are equally impressive, blending luxury with motorsport-inspired elements. From premium materials to advanced digital displays, every AMG model offers a cockpit built for performance enthusiasts. Technology plays a crucial role in the AMG experience. Features like AMG Ride Control, Dynamic Drive Modes, and 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive enhance the driving dynamics. The integration of hybrid technology in the latest models further improves efficiency without compromising on power. AMG's performance-tuned transmission ensures lightning-fast shifts, making every drive more thrilling. When it comes to performance, AMG models dominate both the streets and the track. Vehicles like the AMG GT Black Series, C63S, and E63S redefine what it means to be a performance sedan or coupe. With high-speed capabilities and precision handling, these machines offer an adrenaline-pumping experience that few can match. Mercedes-AMG continues to push the boundaries of innovation. With the rise of electrification, AMG is developing high-performance hybrid and electric models, proving that the future of performance is just as exciting. The AMG 1, inspired by Formula One technology, is a perfect example of how AMG is setting new standards in the automotive world. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Mercedes-AMG, don't forget to like, share, and comment on your favorite AMG model. Subscribe to Auto Apex for more automotive content, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and stay passionate about cars.